Libra, good morning. This is your channel messages for the 7th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Libra, oh my God. So we all know that the elections happened and Donald J. Trump, the famous Gemini sun, is it Sagittarius moon? He has now been once again voted in as the president for the United States of America. God bless America and nowhere else. Also, your channel message is Libra. Trump said that he is going to protect women whether they like it or not. Well, if that's his definition is not the freedom of choice, then what the fuck happened with the card? I'm looking at Kamala Harris profile. Okana, Wakashi was stop. But like, is this fucking elections? What the fuck? I thought that was a fucking MTV Music Award. Shit, Nicki Minaj hosted it better. Anyways, Libra. So I don't know if something caught you off guard, okay? If it did not catch you off guard, then okay, fine. Another channel message I have for you, Libra, is 5 of Swords, come visit me. Now, 5 of Swords is usually the card of somebody want to argue with you. So I'm getting somebody. It's a 5 of Swords, come visit me, wasting your time. I'm getting somebody want to come visit them, say they can't argue with you. Somebody want to argue with you. And apparently they're probably banned from where you live, so they want you come to where they live so that they can argue with you. But I'm getting all tit for tat, it's all petty shit, Libra. Or I'm getting, Libra, you get used as a pawn, Libra. Let's go ahead and go into your reading, Libra. We're not doing a specific spread today. We're just doing freehand cards. And let's just see what you have coming up for you, Libra. This is your channel messages. So I'm getting somebody want to argue with you, or somebody want to pick a fight with you, or somebody want a reason to, I don't know, say mean things to you. I don't know what they want. So let's see what your overall energy is, Libra. Your overall energy is a 9 of Pentacles. So I'm getting Virgo energy. You could be a Libra Virgo. If that's not it, I'm also getting, you're single though, Libra. You're single, you're ready to mingle. I feel like you have all your resources together, so okay, your overall message is a 9 of Pentacles. We're getting a single energy. Women, it's all for women's rights, or women, because a lot of women was bringing Camilla, of course. But I said something to somebody, Libra, the Justice card, and I'll say it again here, because when I don't know them, love plagiarize me and teeth my fucking scraped out of my mouth, because them can't understand how a Jamaican like me can write blood clots so good, right? Oh my God, tell me about it. Anyways, I told people, I was having a discussion yesterday, and I said to somebody yesterday, America obviously has made their point clear that they do not want a female. Because Hillary ran, them denied Hillary. Kamala Harris ran, they denied Kamala. So whether they did black or white, they don't want a female yet. That is very, very obvious. They rather put in Trump again than a female. And even before that, I mean, again, so when they black, so it may not have been a racial thing, popular to the country, or what people don't believe. They're just not ready for a female, and that's okay. Not everybody can be Olivia Chow. But anyways, we're getting independence. That's the overall energy, Libra. You're doing this on your own. You're funding all of this on your own. So let's go ahead and go into your reading. First card out, we have the Knight of Wands. So I'm getting something about Libra, Aries, or Sagittarius man. Now the Page of Wands always give me showing your respect. Them showing respect on the grave. Now Libra, I don't want to say you died, because obviously you're living right now. But I'm getting somebody visiting. I don't know, somebody like to frequent graveyard when it comes down to you, Libra. Or somebody have your name carved on a gravestone. We have the Wheel of Fortune, day and night. I feel like somebody's trying to do magic on you. Because if the overall energy is a 9 of Pentacles, if you are the day, then them are the night, which you would visit a graveyard in the night, not in the days. Let's go again. We have a magic. They're doing spell work. I'm getting somebody want your back, Libra. They're doing spell work, or them are going to day and them are going to this graveyard day and night, go to magic. This is literally how the cards look, Libra. I'm getting somebody that mess with graveyard magic. We have the Ace of Wands. I will also have the Star card. No, Libra, remember you is an air sign. So sometimes you want to act like an earth sign. You're not an earth sign. Earth signs are Taurus, Virgo, Capricorns. You notice out of all the girls, them, did Beyonce talk? I even saw Oprah. I saw Oprah endorsing Camilla Harris. I didn't even see Beyonce talk, because that's how Virgo is. Virgo is also the clothed man, you have to remember. So, Five of Swords, wasting your time, come visit me. No, this obviously look like sex, with the Ace of Wands and the Star card. This could also be Libra too, because there's a celebrity or a star here, or a lot of women here. Me getting the women them now have sex as easy as them used to. Is that something? Because at one point people would say if she take off her clothes easily, she easy to have sex with. That is not the point anymore. Right now, if she take off her clothes easily, you're going to have to pay her OnlyFans fee. Making something like that. Something has become harder. Even though the clothes is, there's less clothes, but it's still harder access to get into. Nine of Pentacles is covered. She's not like the Star. But me getting whether the clothes covered or whether the clothes off, something still hard to get into. So basically, me getting somebody when you visit them so them can argue with you over whether you're going to have sex with them or not, Libra. It's pretty self-explanatory. This is not hard. Me getting you look nice right now. Especially how Cardi B did look in her suit and her jacket up, her official thing, right? Because usually we know Cardi B would be like, and some chicken in a pot, that's a wet ass, right? And then she dressed up in her little thing. Look very, very nice. Cardi looked very nice, so beautiful, so incredible, so talkative, but I do not know who the fuck gave her that shit to read. I don't know who made Cardi do that. Akana, Maseko, Watashi wa stop. Jesus Christ. I said, Miss Baron Trump, just like him father. Him tall, just like him daddy. Anyways, let me get some messages and I'm gonna leave it here. Pretty self-explanatory, Libra. The more you come over there so them can have sex with you, so them can cuss you. Come visit me. That was your message. Come visit me. Five of Swords, Libra. Come visit me. So basically, again, it's pretty self-explanatory. They want you to come visit them because they want to argue with you or they want to have sex with you. I have to take these secrets to the grave. Maybe somebody want to lace you a drink. Secrets to the grave, they might use graveyard dirt on you. So I don't know why they need to come to their location. And we got It's Over, one more, and program. I'm going to leave it here, Libra. Until next time, bye.